Water is the driving force of all nature. Without it, we cannot sustain life. So, to ensure water in every household in India, Jal Jeevan Mission was launched on 15th of August 2019 with an aim of Har Ghar Jal. The Jal Jeevan Mission is using sensor-based IoT devices in their pilot project to monitor the rural drinking water in more than 6 lakh villages. Under Jal Jeevan Mission, a total of 19 crore 18 lakh 78,069 households till 31st of March 2021 are to be connected with tap connection with clean water and drinking water. And 37.99% of work is done in this field till 31st of March 2021. National Jal Jeevan Mission has collaborated with Tata Community Initiatives Trust and Tata Trust to complete the pilot project using sensor-based IoT devices in remote villages of 5 states. Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Himachal Pradesh are the states who have used sensor-based IoT devices to monitor the water supply. The key features to these strong sensors is that they are economical, which makes the solution scalable and sustainable. The cost of the sensors is expected to reduce with time. The pilot projects were started in September 2020 despite the challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic. One more interesting thing about the sensors is that the majority of the vendors, including manufacturers, are Indian companies. This directly boosts the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The first of its kind Internet of Things based remote monitoring eliminates manual effects and provides real-time information using different sensors. This will provide effective monitoring at ground level and will provide visibility to state water supply and citizens. The devices will also help in operational efficiencies and cost reduction. And the data collected from the pilot projects will contribute to strengthening the Jal Jeevan Mission, ultimately providing clean drinking water to every household. Several types of sensors have been installed, which includes flow meter, groundwater level sensors, chlorine analyzers, pressure sensors and pump controllers. These sensors will evaluate all the relevant aspects of water supply and will ensure the quality, duration, quantity, pressure and sustainability of the water supply system. India is a nation with very vast demography. That is why the rural drinking water supply design varies across different regions of country. These pilot projects were spread across diverse agroclimatic conditions, which included areas in western Himalayas, desert regions to Gangetic plains. The temperature varies from -10 degrees Celsius to 48 degrees Celsius in these regions. The success of these pilot projects have paved the path for the other states as they have noticed the potential in these pilot projects. Gujarat, Bihar, Haryana and Arunachal Pradesh have already rolled out tenders for IoT-based remote monitoring system, which ranges from 500 villages to several districts. States like Sikkim, Manipur, Goa, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand have started the process to use this technology. Implementation of such innovative technology can directly boost several initiatives like Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India and Smart Village. This will also benefit the Smart Cities project with an enhanced IoT ecosystem in the country. Thank you.